Okay. Welcome to Squall's Dissection.
Movie stuff.
I'm gonna need one person's hand to hold it like flat.
Which one?
Like, yeah, just hold it like. There you go. Okay. So, you have your intermandibular, which is right here, or your first ventral constrictor, whichever one you want to call it. On the underside of the first ventral constrictor is the interhyoid, and you can tell it's the interhyoid because of the difference in fiber patterns. Here, see the fiber pattern?
Yeah.
Like straight across, and then here it's more of a diagonal. It's more transverse. Alright, so underneath the interhyoid, you have two muscles for your deep dissection. Coracomandibular is running straight up the midline, and it's usually a darker orange. And then underneath the coracomandibular is the coracohyoid. They're paired muscles, there's one on either side, and it's usually a whiter shade. Here they're kind of the same color though. So coracohyoid, coracomandibular, interhyoid, intermandibular, or first ventral constrictor, take your pick. Then you have two paired muscles, the common coracoid. Careful on spelling that one, there's like a billion vowels in it. Your linea alba, of course. Alright, and then moving on to the side, you have your mandibular adductor. It's going to adduct your mouth, or the shark's mouth. And then you have your, oh, he has to go a little bit farther in this dissection. We have it on the other side though, so we're going to rotate real quick. You have your first levator right here, your spiraculars right here. So together the first dorsal levator and the, actually, your spiracular and your mandibular adductor are going to make up your first dorsal constrictor. So together spiracular plus mandibular adductor equals first dorsal constrictor. Moving on, your second dorsal constrictor is right here, this big guy. Third dorsal constrictor right here. Fourth, fifth, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, right here. Cucularis is up here. Remember that it's homologous to the trapezius. Pectoral levator. And then on the other side you'll have your pectoral fin depressor. Alright, so we had our dorsal constrictors on the top. You're obviously going to have your ventral constrictors along the bottom. Again, your first dorsal constrictor is the same thing as your intermandibularis. And then the second one is kind of ugly on this guy, but it's right over here. And then third, fourth, fifth, sixth dorsal ventral constrictors. And I believe that is all the muscles. Pretty easy.